guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my 538 gears from YUKON Gear and Axle.
All right. Crack it open.
Okay. So, boy, they're heavy. So, there's gear oil all over it to protect it from rusting, which is nice. Make everything go a lot easier. And then this is my pinion.
Did you say your minion?
My minion pinion. Alrighty. 538 ring gear. The ring gear is 10¼ inches, but the gear ratio with the pinion is 5/38. 5/38s are pretty high gears. High or low? Do you say high or low?
High gear, low gear.
It's a high gear.
It's a gears. Let's see here.
Boy. Too sick?
All the way across. It's
10¼
But they're beefy too. If you look at how big this thing is from the side. It's a real monster. Look how thick that is.
So this bolts into the carrier and the reverse thread so that you don't lose your shit. Can I say that? So you don't lose your shit.
Yeah, pretty much. The reverse thread because it's spinning forward, so the bolts will tighten themselves.
Yeah,
it's kind of like a...
They'll lock in instead of...
Exactly. It's kind of like...
the links.
Kind of, those are a little different. I was going to say it's kind of like the... cutoff wheel. It spins in the opposite direction that the cutoff wheel is spinning. Or like knockoffs on Connor's car. That's why I was saying you got to put them on the right way.
And then what's super cool is it comes with a warranty already. Well, it's a sticker, okay? This is half the reason why I get parts is just for the stickers.
Of course, gotta get some toolbox stickers.
Yeah, but yeah, super excited. I'm just waiting on a install kit to install the ring gears, and then I'll have 538s. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait.